Good morning students, welcome to the class. As you know, we are discussing the second chapter, that is latitudes and longitudes. In the last class, we discussed about latitudes. Latitudes are the horizontal line that runs on the globe. In today's class, we will discuss about the longitudes. Now see, what are longitudes? Longitudes are the imaginary vertical lines that runs on the globe from north to south. So in today's class we will discuss about these four topics. First one, longitudes. Second is prime meridian, then eastern and western hemisphere, and lastly locating a place. So in today's class we will discuss all these four topics. See, longitude means the vertical lines that runs from north to south. Prime meridian, it is the most important longitude. It is the most important longitude on the globe. It is known as prime meridian with 0 degrees. Then we will locate how prime meridian help us to locate eastern and western hemisphere. And lastly, we will know how to locate a place using latitudes and longitudes. Yes, students, these are the longitudes. Can you see the picture? Here, the imaginary lines are drawn. Longitudes are the vertical lines that run from north to south. These are the imaginary vertical lines that runs from north to south. They are also known as lines of longitude. They are also known as lines of longitudes. And their name is also as meridians of longitudes. They are also known as meridians of longitudes. As you can see in the picture, these lines from the south pole to from the north pole to the south pole, they make a semicircle. They make a semicircle. So these are the semicircular lines on the globe. These are the semicircular lines on the globe which are known as longitudes. Moving on, now we will see how these lines are formed. See, longitudes are of same length. The lines that run from north to south pole are of same length. But the distance between the longitudes, the two longitudes, is not same always, because the shape of the earth is sphere. So the distance will be more in the or near to the equator, and when you go to the near the poles, the distance between the longitudes will be less. As you can see in the picture, the distance between the longitudes is more near the equator and it is minimum near the poles. The distance between the longitudes is more near the equator and less near the poles. It is due to the shape of the earth. Moving on, now you can see in the picture, here the red or the dark line, this is the red or the highlighted line here, it is the equator. It is the equator. Yes, the lines of meridian or the longitudes, it helps us to measure the distance from east to west. When we want to locate a place, it becomes easy for us when there are longitudes. The degree of longitudes help us to locate a place from east to west direction. As you can see in the picture, this dotted line is the equator. Yes, now we will talk about the prime meridian. Prime meridian is the line or the longitude with 0 degrees. It passes through the Greenwich, which is in London, and it has 0 degrees because it comes in the center of the globe. Or as we have equator which is from east to west, that is the latitude, in the same manner we have this longitude which is known as prime meridian, and it comes in the middle of the globe from north to south. That means it meets from north to south, and it comes or it runs from the Greenwich in London. As the prime meridian has degree of 0, to study the other longitudes, as you can see in the picture, there are 180 lines of longitude from prime meridian to the east and to the west. As you can see in the picture, the middle portion is the prime meridian, and there are 180 longitudes from prime meridian to the west and 180 longitudes from prime meridian to east. So in total there are 360 longitudes on the globe, and this is basically made to easily understand the longitudes from prime meridian to the west and to the east. See here, it is to the east and it is to the west. The longitudes, they will start from 0 degrees to 180 degrees east, and here from 0 degrees to 180 degrees west. As you can see in the picture, it is written here. This is the prime meridian, and from here at the interval of 1 degrees it goes up to the 180 degree east. This is the eastern side. So from the prime meridian it starts from 0 degrees to 180 degree east. That means that this area is will have the longitudes of eastern side, and here we will have the longitudes that are on the west side. It will also have the same 0 degrees to 180 degree west. As we just saw, there are 180 longitudes to the west and 180 longitudes to the east. So in total we have 360 longitudes on the globe. When we talk about their distance at 1 degree, there are total 360 longitudes on the globe. Here in this picture you can understand that the eastern part, the east part to the prime meridian is the eastern hemisphere, and the west part will be the western hemisphere. That means the prime meridian divides the earth into eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Now we will discuss about how these lines help us to locate a place. As you can see in the picture, for locating a place, if we know the degree of latitudes and longitudes. See, in this picture it is clearly mentioned. The degrees or the lines we can know from here and here also. So when we want to locate a place, we need to write the degree of longitude of that place and the degree of latitude of that place. So it will help in locating the place, or it is in which hemisphere. It will become easy for us to locate a place in this way. Yes, when locating a place using the latitudes, these are the horizontal line. As you can see in the picture, these blue lines. Using the latitudes, we can easily find if a place lies in the northern hemisphere or in the southern hemisphere, and how far it is from the equator. That means latitudes help us to locate a place in the northern hemisphere or in the southern hemisphere, or how far it is from the equator. And in the same way, longitudes help us to locate a place whether it is in the east hemisphere or in the western hemisphere. The longitudes help us to locate a place whether it is in the eastern hemisphere or in the western hemisphere. Now see, once we have the location, once we have the latitude and longitude of a place, we can easily locate it on the globe. Once we have the degree of latitude and longitude of a place, we can easily locate it on the globe. As you can see in the picture here, once we have both the degrees of latitudes and longitudes, what happens? We can locate it in this way. As you can see a square box, this one red. That means if the location is this on the globe, it becomes easy for us to locate a place. Students, in today's class we discussed about the longitudes, prime meridian and how it helps us to locate a place. I hope you understood from the today's discussion about the longitudes. So based on that, there is a homework for you. What are